I've been so excited in doing this today. What I've done is I've cut some onions and I've literally just put some butter and olive oil. I do it with olive oil, and I just literally cook that up for about a good half hour. Yeah. Then what I do is I've then got them down like this. So basically, they're all in there. Okay, so that's right down. But now what I do is I add some flour. I add some flour, and there we are. I'll put that in. And then this is where it's so simple. I sometimes put a little bit of alcohol, but if you've got children and things, you won't need to do that. But so I make a little sort of roux. There we are. That's done. Cook it off very slightly, so the flour gets cooked off a little bit, so it's not too gloopy. Now this point, this is where it's so simple. I put in my beef stock, some really good beef stock. There we go. And then pop it all in. I tell you, you're gonna love me, Rachel, because this is so lovely for the family. Now that's got to cook down for about 3/4 of an hour, believe it or not. And it turns into, I'm so well organized today, I'm so excited. It turns into this. Now, what is so lovely is, look at that. It turns into that.
Look at the color and the texture. It's just gorgeous.
Isn't that beautiful? Now, here, I put some soup in the pots, these 2 pots. Now I'm going to put some croutons, which I've done. These are lovely sourdough croutons.
Lovely. Oh, I love sourdough, yes.
So do I. 140 Celsius, and I do it, you have Fahrenheit, don't you? Yeah. So I do it for 140 there for about an hour. Now, I'm going to, on this, I use Gruyere cheese. Now, this is going on here, lots of it. I love to have lots of cheese on this. So,
my sister likes more cheese than soup in her bowl.
Yeah, you've got me completely. Right, now I'm going to I've got 2 of these here, Parmesan. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put some Parmesan there. Okay, it's really important. And put it on. Okay, I'm going to add.
How wonderful. What a clever top.
Thank you. Well, I just thought it's such a nice way to do it. So I'm putting a little bit of egg over the top. Okay, there we are. And all I'm going to do is take this, put this on top like that.
How wonderful.
There we go.
It's like a pot pie French onion soup. Amazing.
It's like exactly. Oh, I didn't put any. Hang on. There we are.
Oh, you're just such a show off.
I'm a complete show off. Hang on. So what we're going to do now is get the others out, right? Hang on. Listen, we've got a blue Peter. Let's go and get it now.
Let's go get it.
Right. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Oh my gosh. I would be so scared to carry it.
Right, so good. I'll put it here, and then I'm going to go on here. There you go.
Oh my God, they're so gorgeous.
Oh, aren't they gorgeous? They're just, and I'll put those in the oven just to heat it through.
I know, but how beautiful is that, my friend? They're so gorgeous.
I tell you, hang on, let me just do it. And I have got, hang on, let's go there. And I have got, wait, look, watch this. I've got a soup spoon. You go in, lift it up. Or you can take if you want to take the top off, you can put it like that if you want, and just go like that. And inside,
just go like that.
You've got this gorgeous.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
I absolutely adore you. The Last Supper is available now on Amazon. And The Proof in the Pudding, it's going to be available on Amazon as an ebook on February 23rd.